I'm a resident engineer for the project P187, which is located in Ladysmith. The scope of work is construction of single cell, 1.8 box culvert, bridge widening, and single cell 4.2 by 4.2 cell, and associated roadworks on main road P187. We intend to empower the local by hiring about more than 50 locals, targeting more youth and women which are previously disadvantaged. We intend to hire almost more than 8 CPG that will benefit through this project. As the primary objective of construction is to make sure that we comply in terms of health and safety. We are working with service providers, environmental consultant, and then we are working with health and safety, as well as surveyors consultant, as well as the lab, which are service providers on this project. Since the project commenced in February, you have no incident or accident that happened on site.